You're watching Local 10, home of Local10.com. WPLG Local 10 News at 5 starts now.
With Thanksgiving just days away, residents in this Hollywood neighborhood right here are just wanting to get back to normal. After you remember last Wednesday, a sewer line broke and dumping hundreds of gallons of raw sewage on their properties. Take a look here now. This is how the property looked last Wednesday. It's hard to look at. Local 10's Ross Palumbo joining us live now with how crews have been working all day long to clean up this huge and smelly mess. And Ross, any progress?
Well, Calvin, take a look at this out here. The police are still out here. The barricades are still up and workers still have many trucks out here, but you can see a difference. More importantly, you can actually smell a difference. It is much better today, and here is why. That street you just showed, once covered in sewage, now it is high and dry, and all of this because more than 30 workers have been out here scrubbing with chlorine for 2.5 days now.
We're doing great.
It is the sweet sound of progress. Scrubbing, spraying, scouring these streets and almost everything surrounding.
Everything. The good, the bad, and the ugly.
All after an ugly sewage spill left this area swimming in waste and overwhelming smells.
It was pretty bad.
5 days ago, a bad 48-inch sewage line burst, sending reeking waste rolling over more than 20 backyards and into the YMCA, leaving it swimming in chunks of sludge.
How's it going out here?
Everything going pretty good.
Now, slides are getting sterilized, the pool is getting drained, and the lawn here so bad, some soil is even getting removed.
So we take it up, we send it to incinerator and burn it.
Residents have had their noses burning for 5 days now, a disgusting drama they're eager to have washed away.
I'm happy to see her cleaning it up.
Tonight they can already see and smell the difference.
It doesn't smell too bad.
And can now begin breathing a sigh of relief.
Definitely better. Before, it was smelling pretty bad.
Well, I think they're doing everything in their power.
They are doing everything in their power. Back out live here, that is the last major piece of equipment you see there. Remember, that is the pipe or line stop we were talking about last week. That's what made the repair possible. They're going to be taking that up by crane tomorrow. Over at the homes here on the right, they have been scrubbing the backyards with chlorine, and they hope to have those people back in their homes by Thanksgiving. And Lori and Calvin, they hope to have the YMCA out here open by Friday. There is going to be a meeting so that people can get more information on what is going on, a series of them. And for more information on that, go to our website, Local10.com, and click on Top Stories.
And Ross, last Friday we were talking about all the dead fish in the water from the bacteria and the water testing they were going to do. Does that seem pretty cleaned up?
You know, they're still working on the canals, Lori. What they're doing is aerating the water, and today they spent all day collecting dead fish from those canals. So they say it looks much better, but they're going to be out there for a few more days before the entire area is safe.
Okay, and I'll make sure I get this correct now. Ross Palumbo live for us in Hollywood. Ross, thanks a lot for that.